Hey everybody, a good day to all. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies, and more specifically, we're going to be talking about diabetes management. Now, I know a lot of you are interested in natural ways to help manage your blood sugar levels, and for good reason. So today we're going to be discussing 3 powerful herbs that can help you do just that. Stay tuned. First up, we have cinnamon. This aromatic spice has been cherished for centuries, not just for its delightful flavor but also for its medicinal properties. Now you probably already know cinnamon as a delicious spice that you put in your oatmeal or your coffee, enhancing the taste with its warm, sweet, and slightly spicy notes. But did you know that it also has some pretty amazing health benefits, especially when it comes to blood sugar control? This humble spice is more than just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Cinnamon is actually loaded with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which is always a good thing. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to various chronic diseases. But what makes it really special is its ability to mimic the effects of insulin in your body. This unique property can be particularly beneficial for those dealing with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Insulin is a hormone that helps your cells absorb glucose from your bloodstream, and when your body doesn't produce enough insulin or your cells become resistant to it, that's when you get high blood sugar levels. This condition, if left unchecked, can lead to serious health issues. Cinnamon basically steps in and helps your cells use glucose more effectively, which in turn helps lower your blood sugar levels. This can be a game changer for those looking to manage their blood sugar naturally, and there have actually been studies that show that just a teaspoon or 2 of cinnamon a day can significantly improve blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. These studies highlight the potential of cinnamon as a complementary approach to traditional treatments. Now, it's important to note that cinnamon is not a substitute for medication, and you should always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your treatment plan. It's crucial to approach any dietary changes with caution and professional guidance. But adding a little bit of cinnamon to your diet is a simple and delicious way to potentially improve your blood sugar control. It's an easy addition that can make a big difference over time. You can sprinkle it on your oatmeal, giving your breakfast a flavorful and healthful boost, add it to your smoothies, blending it seamlessly with fruits and vegetables for a nutritious drink, or even just mix it with some hot water and lemon for a soothing drink. This simple concoction can be a comforting way to enjoy the benefits of cinnamon any time of the day. Next we have fenugreek. Now, you might not be as familiar with fenugreek as you are with cinnamon, but trust me, this herb is a powerhouse when it comes to blood sugar management. Fenugreek seeds are actually a common ingredient in Indian cuisine, and they have a slightly bitter maple syrup-like flavor. This unique taste makes them a versatile addition to various dishes from curries to teas, but don't let that deter you because the benefits are definitely worth it. Fenugreek seeds are packed with soluble fiber, which is a type of fiber that dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. This gel actually slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which is great news for your blood sugar levels. When carbs are digested more slowly, it prevents those rapid spikes in blood sugar that can happen after a meal. And not only that, but fenugreek also helps improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. There have been studies that show that taking fenugreek supplements can significantly reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve HbA1c levels, which is a measure of long-term blood sugar control. These studies highlight the potential of fenugreek as a natural remedy for managing blood sugar. Now you can find fenugreek seeds at most health food stores, and you can add them to your meals or take them in supplement form. They are available in various forms including whole seeds, powders, and capsules, making it easy to incorporate them into your diet. Just be sure to start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to avoid any digestive discomfort. Some people may experience mild side effects like bloating or gas, but these usually subside as your body adjusts. In addition to blood sugar management, fenugreek has other health benefits too. It's known to help with digestion, reduce inflammation, and even boost milk production in breastfeeding mothers. So, whether you're looking to manage your blood sugar or improve your overall health, fenugreek seeds are definitely worth considering. So, next time you're at the health food store, consider picking up some fenugreek seeds or supplements. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, small seeds can have big benefits. Start incorporating fenugreek into your diet today and experience the positive changes for yourself. Last but not least, we have berberine. Now, berberine is a plant alkaloid that's been used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. This powerful compound has a rich history of being utilized for its medicinal properties, and it's only recently that modern science has started to catch up with what ancient healers knew all along. It's found in a variety of plants including golden seal, barberry, and Oregon grape, and it has a wide range of health benefits, from supporting heart health to aiding in weight loss. But it's particularly well known for its blood sugar lowering effects. Berberine works in a few different ways to help manage blood sugar levels. First, it helps improve insulin sensitivity, just like fenugreek. This is crucial because insulin sensitivity allows your cells to respond better to insulin, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels. This means your body can use insulin more effectively to lower blood sugar. Second, berberine actually helps your body produce more insulin, which is great news if your body isn't producing enough on its own. This additional insulin production can be a game changer for those struggling with diabetes, which is great news if your body isn't producing enough on its own. And third, berberine helps slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in your gut, which prevents those rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. This slower digestion process means that glucose is released into the bloodstream more gradually, helping to maintain more stable blood sugar levels, which prevents those rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. There have been numerous studies that show that berberine can be as effective as some prescription medications in lowering blood sugar levels. These studies highlight the potential of berberine as a natural alternative for managing diabetes. In fact, some studies have even shown that berberine can lower HbA1c levels by a similar amount as metformin, which is a commonly prescribed diabetes medication. This is particularly impressive given that metformin is often considered the gold standard in diabetes treatment, which is a commonly prescribed diabetes medication. Now you can find berberine supplements at most health food stores. These supplements are available in various forms including capsules, powders, and extracts, making it easy to incorporate berberine into your daily routine. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before taking berberine, especially if you're already taking medication for diabetes or any other health conditions. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the right dosage and ensure that berberine won't interact with your current medications, especially if you're already taking medication for diabetes or any other health conditions. With the right guidance, berberine can be a valuable addition to your health regimen. So there you have it, 3 powerful herbs that can help you naturally manage your diabetes. Remember, these herbs are not a substitute for medication or a healthy lifestyle, but they can be a great addition to your overall diabetes management plan. If you're interested in trying any of these herbs, be sure to talk to your doctor first, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. As always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.